Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And guys, we have a great day because I won, so can you. That's right, I won from Jeanette's Beauty World. And she was having a FabFitFun battle with Wendy Jean. And I know most of you all know that follow me know Wendy Jean. And if you don't, well, of course, go over and check her out. But she had a battle, a mystery bundle battle with Jeanette from Jeanette's Beauty World. And I won from Jeanette's mystery giveaway. And we're going to find out what I won. We're also going to have a giveaway for you because I like to pay it forward. Not only does this pay it forward for you, it pays it forward for Jeanette, because if you don't know Jeanette, then this will give you the opportunity to go over and check her out. She has mostly all beauty. She does unboxings, she does beauty looks, and she does FabFitFun mystery bundles. I'm sure she does FabFitFun in general, but she does several different things on her channel that you may be interested in, and she does giveaways. So you will have to be subscribed to both Jeanette's Beauty World and Miss Jackie Russell in order to win my Pay It Forward, I Won So Can You giveaway. Now, what did I win? I don't know. I haven't looked. It's a complete mystery. And do you like mystery giveaways? I do like them. So I do like surprises. So we're going to find out what my surprise is. I'm going to just rip this off. And we're going to see what she put together for me. And usually in a mystery bundle, they get like 4 items. So there may be 4 items, maybe less, maybe more. I don't know. But like I said, please go check out Jeanette and see what you think about her channel. Now, the first item I see in here is a headband that has the big bow, and it's in the black and white stripes. And isn't that so cute? This is the vintage headband, and you know I do Mask Mondays, so, and I just use mask in general. Putting on makeup, that would be good for. The next item I'm getting looks like some lifestyle, is some Lavi Noir socks. Aren't those pretty? That's a nice orange color. They're really long and they're nice and thick, but they have kind of like that, I don't know if that's a diamond pattern in there once you have them on, but it's a one size fits all. So that's my second thing I have. Ooh, there's more than 4. And looky here, I have a card made out to Miss Jackie Russell. And guys, if I haven't said hello and welcomed you in a proper manner, I would like to welcome you to my channel. And if you're new here, I would like to ask you to subscribe and hit that notification bell right now. And I guess hit that little bell that rings it every time I have a new video coming out. And if you're a returning subscriber, well, guys, I love you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I thank you for returning today. And I wish you all the best of luck if you're going to enter this giveaway. Now, I got a thank you note from her. And this is from Infinite She, a Denver, Colorado company. And that's the card. And on the inside it says, Miss Jackie, thank you so much for supporting my channel. I appreciate you so much. Enjoy your goodies, Jeanette, Jeanette's Beauty World. So there's my little note. Thank you, Jeanette. I like your channel. You have some good pointers on there, that's for sure. Now, my next item in here is a satin pillowcase. So that'll come in handy. And this is really good for your hair for sleeping, from keeping it getting all tangled and everything, and to, I guess, to protect it. And I like the color, don't you? That is really, really nice. So that'll feel really, really good on my head and my face when it, you know, I turn sideways because I do sleep on my side. The next item I have in here from her is Strawberry Sea Brightening Serum. Ooh, I've never had any of this. This is Volition. Have any of you had strawberry brightening sea? I have not. I've had lemon and I think some orange and maybe even mango. Well, this is with AVEC, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. So very nice. And this is what it looks like. It even looks kind of strawberry-like. Let me see if it smells like strawberry. I'm going to see if I can get just a drop out. It doesn't smell like strawberry, so it's probably good. You don't really want strawberry on your face as far as the scent. It's better not to have a scent, but it's very nice, going on very well, and should work great. Maybe I should put some on the other side here. There we go, get it kind of even on both hands. So that is very nice. Thank you, Jeanette. And then the last thing I have here is Design Make Love Winter Flower, and this is an embroiderer kit. So this was a lot of lifestyle with a little skincare, and this here is going to embroider, I'm thinking, this flower here. And I'm not going to open this kit because I don't embroider, so this will for sure go in a giveaway. Matter of fact, I may go ahead and pass that on right now, and this will be in the giveaway. Because like I said, that is not something that Miss Jackie does. I used to embroider a long time ago, probably when I was in my 20s, just to let you know. So, in my giveaway, you're going to get this for sure. And to be in the giveaway, like I had mentioned, you have to be publicly subscribed to both Jeanette's Beauty World and Miss Jackie Russell in order to qualify. So if you're new and you go over and subscribe to Jeanette, be sure and watch one of her entire videos before you subscribe so your subscription will stick, because YouTube sometimes takes our subscriptions away. And that is one way to help make your subscription stick. Now, you must be publicly subscribed, as I just mentioned, to both of us. You must be 18 years or older. You must have an address within the continental USA. I will deliver this by U.S. Post Office, YouTube, and or any of these beauty brands that I've shown or that she sent me or Lifestyle are not affiliated with this giveaway in any way. This is for entertainment purposes only and a chance for you to win free of charge. So, if anything's damaged or lost or anything like that, there's nothing that I can do about that. But I will send you a tracking number so you can just track it all the way to your front door. Now, what's in the giveaway? Well, I just told you we're going to have the winter flower. I'm going to do a necklace, which is beautiful, and it has a pair of earrings. This is a Violet Harper. And I don't know which box I got this in, but this is going to be in the giveaway. It kind of matches this here, doesn't it, as far as color goes. You're going to get an eye cream, and this is a 100% coffee bean caffeine eye cream, and it's in this nice little tube. And then this is the cream itself, pure, 100% pure. So this is a great brand. And this is going to brighten and depuff your eyes. So very, very nice. You are going to receive, if you win, these sunshades. If you like a little bling, you're going to like these sunshades. I'm not going to put them on, but I am going to show you the sunshades. Aren't these adorable? Very, very nice. You got your bling on the side, and I love the color. It's kind of like, it's gradient from dark to lighter, and you've got the little bit of purple in there. So I'm going to put that back over. I want to protect these the best that I can, and that will be in the giveaway, and that is the giveaway. I could throw in a few more surprises, but this, oh, wait a minute, there is one more thing. She did 5 items, and I had gotten 4 over here. So there is one more thing, so hold on, don't run off yet. And if you want to know what I've got on my eyes today, I'm going to tell you what my eye makeup is toward the end here. So, but right now, you are going to get a Sangria palette. Since she does beauty over at her channel, I thought you might be interested in this Sangria palette. It's a beauty crop palette, and it's beautiful colors. It has the blues and the purples and the pinks, and it is gorgeous. I'm not going to take off this because I think, well, it's kind of stuck. There we go. Now you can see it better. It's got some glitters. It might even have some Duro chrome in there, but this is a very pretty palette, and you will get this palette as well. So that is my giveaway. And what do you have to use for a code word? Well, use the code word Janet. Since Jeanette, did I say Janet? I don't know if I called you Janet, I'm sorry. But use Jeanette, Jeanette, in a sentence below in my comments, and you will be entered into this giveaway. And be sure and go over and make a comment over at Jeanette's and let her know that you've seen this giveaway, or just comment on one of her videos. It doesn't, you know, that way she can check to see if you're publicly subscribed. It'd make it easier if you make a comment on one of her last videos that she's done. But guys, that is my giveaway, and that is my code word, Jeanette, and you will be eligible for this giveaway. Now, what do I have on my eyes? Well, today I decided to use my Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess Flora Verde, and I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but these are the colors that are in this palette. And on my eyes, I have used several of these colors. I do have on the pink, as you can tell, on the inside to middle corners. I've got this on my edges, so right in the deep corners I have the brown. I have this color in my crease, which is right here. And I have this on top of my lid. I have this a little on my lid. And I have this color and this color highlighting. So those are the colors that I have used with this eye look, using this Estee Lauder palette, which I love Estee Lauder, as y'all all know. And if you're still here watching this, I appreciate that. Why don't you give me a little heart emoji if you like watching, knowing what I've got on my eyes. Now, I did use my Prime Chromatic, and this is the Prime Eyes Glide, and I used it in the blue. So this is the navy blue eyeliner that I have on, and I really like this. It glides on really easy. It's a non-smudge, and it's water resistant, and it is not a liquid. It is a glide on like a crayon. And I did use City Beauty's lid lifting treatment for my, what do you call them kind of eyes? For my, oh, I can't think what I'm trying to think. Oh, my hooded eyes. I used that for my hooded eyes, and I think it is helping lift it up a little bit, and I like that. And I used PrimieLash Mascara in the black, and this is a mature mascara for mature eyelashes, and it goes in there and grabs the smallest eyelashes. And it also has nutrition, hyaluronic acid probably, to pull in moisture. But this is a mature eyelash mascara, and it is very, very good. And you can see it does a really good job for my eyelashes. And this is designed for over 50, but you can be using this at any age because it does have the nutrients in it to help lengthen and nourish your eyelashes and help them grow. I also, and I do have an affiliate link to Prime Chromatics if you're interested, down in my description. Now, what do I have on my cheeks? Well, I have my Pat McGrath, and I thought I would bring this in here. This is the Pat McGrath's Lab, and I wear this blush a lot. Now, it used to be real pretty, like with a rose or something on there, and I have been using it down, and of course it's getting wore down. And I don't even know what color this is. I don't even know if it tells us that. But it does a great job, and I've really enjoyed the color. It's kind of a peachy color. It doesn't tell me what color it is. If anything on there, it says Divine Blush. So I don't know, maybe that's what it is, Divine Blush. But that is the blush that I use on a regular basis. I do use the Laura Geller, and I use some Estee Lauder every once in a while. Now on my lips, I have the liner of Charlotte Tilbury liner, and I like this because it's a neutral color. And then on my lipstick, I have the MAC, and this is E for Effortless, and it's one of my favorites, and it's going on down. But I do like this color. It's moisturizing, and it's one of my favorite lipsticks. So that's what I have on my face, other than Estee Lauder foundation, the double wear. And of course, I may have on a little contouring from Estee Lauder, and I think I use Charlotte Tilbury bronze palette for a little bit of bronzing effect. So that is my look today. And again, it was the Estee Lauder eye palette. Sometimes you can get this on sale through Macy's or Belks. If they have a 20%, it'd bring it way down. It normally runs around $60. So, okay guys, that's my I won, so can you. Are you ready to enter? Well, use that code word that I told you. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that are going on. The only one that's currently going on and could be eligible for entering is the Dollar Tree train, and you better hurry because it ends on June 2nd, and I'm not sure when this is going to come out. If it comes out today, the June 1st, you will have till tomorrow. My I won, so can you will be out for 2 weeks, and it will end June 15th. So if you want to have a chance to win these items that I have just shown you, use the code word and you will be eligible, and comment on both channels. And like I said, with her channel, you'll have to comment on one of her videos, and I would just suggest doing it on the latest one. And I don't know which one that is because I don't know when you're going to be watching this. Well, that is my giveaway, and that's all I have today, and I hope y'all are doing well. I do want to let you know that we've had some storms this week, but they haven't been as severe as Tuesday. Oh, and y'all probably don't even know about Tuesday, so I'll tell you all about that on Mass Monday. But we did have some very severe weather here on Tuesday. Everybody's okay, so that is the main thing right there. But as for today, and I won, so can you, and my giveaway from Jeanette's Beauty World, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.